Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can cancel your WorldRemit transfer. So it's pretty simple. Now you need to keep this in mind as well. If the transfer is already complete and the money has been sent from your account into the other person's account successfully, then there is nothing you can do because the problem is not of WorldRemit. Now WorldRemit is an app or it's a company which helps you transfer money from one account to another. And if the transfer of the money is complete and the money is on the other person's account, there's nothing WorldRemit can do. The only thing you can do is call the person who's owner of that account to transfer the money back because WorldRemit can't do anything. But if your money is being processed, which means let's say your money has not been sent but it's in the process of being sent, then what you can do is come on this option called My Transition on worldremit.com and make sure to log it into your account. And from under My Transition, all the transition which is happening is going to be shown over here. And just search for the transfer which you want to cancel, and from over here click on the transfer and cancel the transfer, and the transfer will be cancelled. So in my case, I don't have any transfer, that's why nothing is being shown over here. But if in your account, if a transfer is happening, it's going to be displayed over here and you can come over here to cancel them. So that's how you guys can cancel a WorldRemit transfer. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.